Welcome to Artificacy AI. Today I will show you how to create animation video with this new free AI tool. Let's start the video. Step 1. Go to Google and search ChatGPT. Or simply click on the description link. Now we on ChatGPT chatbot. Click here. And enter your story prompt. I enter this. Write a love story of a sad boy and his cute girlfriend. Amazing. Here is our story. That's all. Our story is generated. Now we need to generate some images. For our story. Step 2. Click on the description link. You will refer to this tool. Click here. And create your account. Now we are in the ArtFlow dashboard. Click on Image Studio and click here. Click here and choose content size. I will choose this. Scroll down and select style type. Choose your style for images. I will choose this. Now go back on ChatGPT. And copy the first paragraph. And paste it here. And click Flow. Now you can see ArtFlow generating images. Done. Here are your images. Now we have our story and images. Now let's go to make a video. Step 3. Here you can see we have different types of tools. Go and click here. Here you can see our generated images. If you want to add your own images, then click here and upload it. Now we need to create a scene for our story video. Select an image for creating a scene. Now here enter a dialogue described to this image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first line. And paste it. Here you can see voiceovers. Choose voice. I will choose this. And click preview voice. Your first scene has been created. Click here to add the second scene. Choose image. Add dialogue. And add your voiceover. That's all. You can create as many scenes as you want. Step 4. Once you have completed making your video, click here for export. Enter the title of the video. And click export video. You can see ArtFlow exporting your video. Once have done, click here. And click download. You can download it without subtitles or with subtitles. That's all. Our story video has been created. Let's see how to look at our video.
Once upon a time, in a small town nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Ethan. He was known by many as the sad boy, because he always seemed lost in his thoughts, carrying a heavy weight in his heart. Ethan had experienced his fair share of pain and disappointment, which made it difficult for him to let people into his life. However, fate had something unexpected in store for him.
Alright. Now you can create animation video. Let me know how you like this video. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Good day and bye bye.